Either you want to grow your business and you will work out how to convert them, or you won't do it. It's all about the mindset. You know, if you're determined to run your business and you're passionate about it and you believe in it, the sales just fall into your hand. Found out about Trade Mastermind probably 2 years ago. Didn't quite want to take the leap, but then eventually a free open day came down, and I immediately saw the value of the course and just bought in. The business was just me. I was working day to day myself and I hated it, to be honest. Main challenges were finding work that I wanted to do. I was basically working all day every day for about £20 an hour. It was hard work. I just wasn't enjoying it really. I didn't feel like there was any future in it. I've worked all day every day for the past 5 years. The difference now is I'm running my own business. Rather than working in it, I'm able to work on it and take time to focus on what I really need to do to grow. I'm not having to wake up every morning and go to a customer's house to do the work. I can wake up and focus on what I need to focus on. I'm more in charge. I'm now not working 5 days a week when I have to. I'm working when I need to. My role now is just running the company. I'm free to focus on whatever I need to focus on. I look at my overalls and feel sick. I never want to put them back on again. In my last business, I'd managed people. I was quite fine with that. The main challenges for transitioning really were learning the sales. Learned to be more of a salesperson. I didn't realise how important that was as a business owner. Once I solved that, that's what's got me sorted really. Either you want to grow your business and you will work out how to convert them, or you won't do it. It's all about the mindset. If you're determined to run your business and you're passionate about it and you believe in it, the sales just fall into your hand. People buy people. And it's easy if you believe in what you do. I'm very close to turning over £10 million. I think I'm very close to it. I think I've got the skills, and all it is now is growing the business. I think once you've got the skills, the only way to get rich is quick. It should be fairly easy to get sales staff on board now and just multiply that figure really. I was a joiner when I started the course, sold my first ever boiler within 2 months of the course. Very quickly got that up to 15. But I've learned a lot. Prepare me for the future, and I feel like the sky's the limit now. I feel that the skills you learn on the course are applicable to life and business. The course doesn't just teach you to learn the sales on how to sell boilers, it teaches you how to run a business and how to run your own life. I'd recommend the Trade Mastermind 100% to anybody who is serious about growing a business. Anybody who wants to have a trade business where they have multiple members of staff, you've got to come on the course. Otherwise, you're going to be banging your head against the wall for years like I was.